Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Wilder Fuentes Vargas, de la licenciatura en inglés primer semestre de la Corporación Universitaria del Caribe. Hoy les voy a presentar un taller de pronunciación con respecto a la fonética del inglés. My parents live in a nice house by the river. I never eat after 10 p.m. because it is unhealthy. I can run as fast as you. My husband cooks dinner twice a week. He never irons his clothes at the weekend. My mom makes me clean the house on Saturdays. My brother never comes in the morning. Andy didn't like to crow when he was a baby. My neighbor's dog barks every single day. She wanted to repair the couch, but I didn't. Petra always kisses her daughter in the morning. It's important to squeeze every day. The elderly like to read the newspaper. The dog wanted to jump the fence. I am painting my garage. Thank you so much.